Hello, welcome back. Our menu for today is baklava, and here is my own simple version of baklava. You can follow the simple steps as you watch the video. Let us pour 4 glasses of sugar. We are going to start making the syrup first, and after this we will add 4 glasses of water. One, two, three, and 4, and then we're gonna mix it and then let it boil for like 5 minutes. We are going to add a slice of lemon and put it on the syrup. I have here 250 grams of butter, and I put it in the pan. I put it on the stove and I turn on the low heat to melt the butter. And here we go, it's done. This is a phyllo dough, or we called it yufka here. This is a very thin dough, and we also need almonds. This is like 350 grams of almonds. This is enough. And one of the important ingredients of baklava is the nut, and some people uses pistachio nuts, some uses walnuts or hazelnuts, but here I preferred almonds because I love almonds. That's why. On the tray, I put 3 pieces of phyllo dough and brush some butter, and I'm gonna do this over again. Every layer that I put, I'm gonna brush up butter, and then we're gonna put almonds, and then another layers of phyllo dough. So you're let's cut it into square. Let's put all the butter on top of it, and we're gonna bake it at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. So our baklava is ready now. Don't forget to pour the syrup. This is hot baklava and warm syrup. So we're gonna leave it for like 30 minutes to completely cool, and it's all ready. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching.